అయితే కనుక నేను మీ అందరినీ తీసుకుని వెళ్తున్నానండి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి హెయిర్ యాక్సెసరీస్ చాలా ట్రెండింగ్, అలాగే చాలా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్లో మనకి అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయండి. సో మీరు రెగ్యులర్ వాడే ఐటమ్స్ అయినా, ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళేవైనా, అప్పుడప్పుడు పార్టీ వరకు సంబంధించిన కలెక్షన్స్ మన ఈ వీడియోలో షేర్ చేయబోతున్నానండి. సో చూసేయండి, డెఫినెట్గా ఒక్కసారి అయితే మాత్రం విజిట్ చేయాల్సినటువంటి బెస్ట్ స్టోర్ అండి.
Hi sir.
Hello.
How are you sir?
Absolutely fine, ma'am.
Sir.
Hello friends, my name is Kamal and you have reached Mamta's Collections. Today I'm going to show you amazing accessories at an excellent price today. Alright, now let me explain you that we have offer for 30%, 40%, 50%. So we have an offer till 50%. So, and this is on an entire hair accessories range. Alright, and let me tell you one thing, this price is a guaranteed price. That means you will not get this price anywhere in Hyderabad, Secunderabad. We are located at AMB Mall, that is Sarat City Capital Mall, and this mall is one of the largest mall in India. We are located at 4th floor. So do visit at 4th floor, and now without wasting time, let's give you the variety today.
Yes,
all right?
Yes.
Okay, now as you see behind, we have amazing variety of hair bands here. Okay, now in the market these hair bands will cost you not less than 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 190 rupees, so on and so forth. But here you get a flat price of 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 70 rupees, most of them. There are certain hair bands which cost 100, 150 also, but that in the market that will cost you not less than 250, 300 rupees. Now let me tell you more about this. Now these are the regular hair bands. Now we also have these kind of crystal hair bands. See, I'll show you the variety. These are crystal hair bands. These you can use it for function purpose, marriage purpose. Now we have a marriage from next month onwards.
Yes,
so there's a season, so you can buy all these stuff. And even for party wear also, and regular wear also. All right, in the market, if you see, you'll not get these crystal hair bands for not less than 450, 550. Here you get from 250 to 290 range.
Okay.
So this is a genuine offer. We guarantee you for the price and variety. You will get thousands of variety in hair accessories and hair bands also. Now if I show you these kind of hair bands, beautiful hair bands, and these are excellent quality, excellent variety.
Okay.
Now these, if you see these are rubber bands. We call it as Madhubala. That's the name of this this kind of rubber band,
okay,
as Madhubala. Okay, just for your information. Now these are costing 90 rupees, 100 rupees, 150 rupees in market. But here you get flat price for 70 rupees, ma'am.
Oh,
70 rupees only. And this is a guaranteed price. An amazing variety, beautiful colors. You will get around 50 odd colors and varieties with pearls, with these kind of shimmer and
ये प्राइस ऑनलाइन में भी नहीं मिलेगा सर. ये ब्रांड को मधुबाला ब्रांड्स.
Absolutely, ma'am. अगर ऑनलाइन में अगर मिलेगा ना आपको, ये एक हेयर बैंड 150 रुपए, 200 रुपए मिनिमम.
150 देखा मैं एक्चुअली.
Yes.
70 रुपीस सच में 50% फ्लैट ऑफर.
Absolutely, and guaranteed price. And I'm telling you one thing, ma'am, that in the mall, आप इतने बड़े शॉप में आपको इतने अच्छे ambience में you're getting at a throwaway price. Believe me. Now if we go with this, if you कैमरा यहाँ पे देखिए, these are all exclusive products. AD stones के हैं, center clips है, ठीक है. We have clutchers also. We have banana clips. We have lock banana. So if there is a marriage, if there is a function, if you want for a regular purpose, excellent quality. Even after use, इसका जो glaze है, it remains the same. So you don't face any kind of problems as such. All right, beautiful articles. Or if you visit any big shop, any other shop, you will get double, triple the price. I can assure you. If you don't trust me, please visit the shop. You experience it personally. आप आइए, एक एक product देखिए, तो आपको idea आ जाएगा कि you're missing out on many things. Let me tell you, we have thousands of very satisfied customers across Hyderabad, Secunderabad. We have customers coming from Vijayawada, Vizag, from even tourists. They come regularly. Whenever they visit at our store. Reason? You get amazing variety and throw away price. Now as post-COVID situation is such, so we are creating a win-win situation for our customer. So customer should spend less and they get more. Now let me show you some more products along with the rates. तो आपको idea आ जाएगा कि भाई मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. Now let's focus on this. Now these are center clips. ये stones के center clips हैं, ma'am. This is a big size. This is with double lock. अब डबल लॉक आएगा इसमें. Now this price is 190 rupees which we used to sell before. You're getting it only for 100 rupees. And मैम आपको center clip with stones 100 rupees में बड़ा size कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा. Online same 350, 450. You can check right now. You're not going to get, and beautiful variety. Colors combination beautiful. Now if we go with this, ये देखिए इसमें same में small है. This 120 is MRP. You get at only 60 rupees. 60 rupees you get, ma'am, plastic ka, center clip. And here you're getting it stones ka. Now
clip,
we have 60 rupees wala, we have 100 also. अगर जो वो 100 में देंगे तो वो 200 का 100 में आपको मिलेगा. So if you come here, everything is transparent, every price are written. So you don't have to worry about anything. You can see the price इतना है, MRP इतना है, sale price इतना है. Now this is one of the exclusive product, ma'am. ये Zaya company है, one of the best companies. Excellent. If you go visit any shop, online Zaya you type it, you will get not less than 450, 550. हम आपको 220 में दे रहे हैं. So we have clips starting from 60 rupees till 450, 500 rupees, but that will be less than market. And prices are written, so nothing to worry. Now if you see this, how beautiful it is. This is also Zaya company. ये pearl का है. See these kind of with pearls, small pearls, big pearls, AD stones है. अभी ये देखिए AD stones है मैम. I have customers, and I mean, we are selling these products since years, ma'am. More than 7 years, ma'am. So we have thousands of customers. They are still wearing all these products. ये चीज़ इतनी जल्दी खराब नहीं होती. If you maintain it, it will be very durable. Now see, we have center clips more also, 100, 150, 200, 250, all variety we have. Now let's come to clutches. Now see, these are also Zaya company clutches, ma'am. AD stones का है, beautiful variety. Superb. These are 90 MRP, 60 rupees. It's a genuine discount, ma'am. Genuine offer. Now in the same thing you get big size. These also AD stones, खराब नहीं होते, बहुत अच्छी quality है, Zaya company का है. Beautiful variety, very durable. Only 150. In this big also, very big also. This 290 MRP, 190 rupees is a sale price. This is Zaya company plus AD stones का है. You're not going to find this price anywhere. I assure you about that. Now see, these are साड़ी पिन्स बोल सकते हैं आप, ब्रोश बोल सकते हैं आप, साड़ी पे डाल सकते हैं, ब्रोश डाल सकते हैं. These are 150, 200 MRP. You get flat for 100 rupees, मैम. और इसमें भी आपको मिनिमम 50 प्लस वैरायटी मिलेगा आपको. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, डिजाइंस, AD स्टोन्स के ब्यूटीफुल वैरायटी. नाउ इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 100 रुपीज एंड वी हैव सेम थोड़ा और प्रीमियम. ये मार्केट में आपको 300-400 रुपए में मिलेगा. वी सेल ओनली फॉर 150 एंड आवर कस्टमर्स आर वेरी सेटिस्फाइड, मैम. सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन वी हैव. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ वैरायटी, अनगिनत वैरायटी है हमारे पास. सी दिस, सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज. मोर का 150 only, ma'am. See, 250. Everything is written, so you be rest assured about the quality, product, price. We assure you, we guarantee you for that, ma'am. Now see, these are the normal sari pins. ये Honey company का है. This is one of the best companies. ये 40 rupees में pair, two. Yes, this is an offer again. Usually 30 rupees is 30 to 40 rupees is the price. 40 में दो दे रहे हैं हम लोग. So this is an offer, ma'am. And excellent quality है, बहुत अच्छी quality वाली, ordinary नहीं है ये. Honey company का है. Just remember Honey company. Now see, these are again clutches, pair. See, these are again center clip. जिनको छोटे center clip चाहिए यहाँ लगाने के लिए, वो बहुत ही बढ़िया variety है यहाँ पे. Now these are again, see, this is one of the best variety. बहुत अच्छी quality है. Beautiful variety. Now see, these are side pins, ma'am. Zaya company का है. These are side pins, AD stones के. These side pin with lock, right? Beautiful. Now these are also super running article. In this you get around 15 to 20 different designs, ma'am. Alright, this is again a lock pin. Alright, आप साइड में डाल सकते हैं, सेंटर में कहीं पे भी डाल सकते हैं आप. अगेन Zaya कंपनी का है, मैम. 150 is MRP. Prices are written 150 MRP and only 90 rupees. I would like to say, why you want to pay more when you get it for less? Why you want to pay more when you get it for less at this shop? You visit here, you come here. This is a big mall. You can enjoy with your family. You can come to food court, खाना खाइए, and you can shop here. And at an affordable price. Everybody can. We have all type of customers, ma'am. So nothing to worry about that. Every pocket can afford all these things. Alright, then side clips, there are so many variety. आप आएंगे तो आपको और आइडिया आएगा कि भाई कितनी वैरायटी है जो हम वीडियो में इतना नहीं दिखा सकते. So I'm making it pretty fast, ma'am. See, this is also stones का है, only 90 rupees, ma'am. 150 MRP, 90 rupees का. इसमें 4, 5, 6 colors है. Now the rubber bands, these are beautiful rubber bands. आप पार्टी वेयर के लिए उसके लिए भी डाल सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. These all are rubber bands. These are exclusive ones. Apart from normal rubber bands, we have exclusive rubber bands also. See, these are with AD stones, original AD stones. So when you visit, you'll get an idea what I'm talking about. Now these are metal clutches, ma'am. Metal clutches, beautiful. This is with mint colors. और ये बहुत सालों साल चलता है, मैम. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है.
ज़्यादा दे देते हैं.
Absolutely durable भी है और excellent. Now see, these are stones with crystals. ऐसी variety you will not find in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, I assure you, ma'am. But that too at one place. These, now if you see these kind of clutches with pearls, beautiful. You wear it, it'll look beautiful, ma'am. Now these clutches we have exclusive ones with crystals. This is with pearl crystals है, stones है, बारीकी काम किया गया है और at an amazing price, half price. I guarantee it's a half price, guys. So don't miss the opportunity. Visit at Mamta's Collection. It's one of the beautiful stores. I assure you, we carry a lot of experience and we care for our customers. We care for our customers. Because you know, if customer is satisfied, then everything is in place, ma'am. That's what we believe. Now let me show you some more variety. These are exclusive products at throw away price. ये 150 का है, मैम. ये आप ऑनलाइन जाओगे ना 500 रुपये से कम नहीं मिलेगा, because this has lot of work in it, crystal in it, excellent quality. These are very costly outside any shop, but we are giving throw away price. These are France Creation करके कंपनी है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. See the finishing of it and the quality is amazing. Clutches we have amazing variety. We have normal clutches also like 40 rupees, 50 rupees के भी हम रखते हैं, लेकिन ये अच्छी क्वालिटी के, ये हन्नी कंपनी के, मैम, जो बहुत ड्यूरेबल रहते हैं. वो नहीं हो 10-20 वाले नहीं, वो चलेंगे नहीं. ये आप एक लोगे 30 रुपये, 40 रुपये, 50 रुपये, most of them. So but this honey company, this is one of the best quality. Now these are unbreakable ones, मैम. ये unbreakable है, ये unbreakable है. ये देखिए, ये unbreakable, ये break नहीं होते, मैम. This is Ace Company, one of the best companies.
Okay.
Now, alright, ma'am, I'm going to show you this kind of variety. बहुत अच्छी variety है. We sell thousands of pieces, ma'am. This kind of variety. This is पूरा kit है, ma'am. See this. In this market, you will not get less than 450, 550. Even on online, you can check. You know, we are going to give you only for 250 rupees. And you're not going to get this price guaranteed. Guaranteed. This is a dhamaka offer. You're not going to get this price. Now, if we see this, we have different type of variety in this. This is with bag, with pouch. There is a toy in this, like doll hai, chain hai, clip hai, pura accessory kit hai with backpack. See, with this backpack, this is not less than 550 in the market. We are giving you only for 290 rupees now. These prices are rock bottom prices. Now, if you see these kind of variety, ye dekhiye. Beautiful rubber bands we have, soft ones. Now see these kind of rubber bands for kids, for girls, beautiful with bow, with faces and all, with pearls. See this beautiful variety we have. This kind. ये पूरे excellent variety है. And here, as these are small products, we cannot tag on each and every product. So what we have done is we have written the price here. So 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 70 rupees and so on. So we have written sale 50 rupees. So मतलब net उसका 50 है. Normal price is 70 rupees, 90 rupees and so on and so forth. Now if you see here these kind of बच्चों के bangles हैं, ये देखिए मैम. Actual price 100 rupees each है. We are giving you 1 plus 1 free, मैम.
Okay.
1 plus 1 free. Amazing varieties, around 50 odd varieties मिलेगा आपको bangles में and कड़े में and all. And we have nail paints also. Now this nail paint is actual MRP is 149 rupees. You get it only for 100 rupees. Amazing collection. 149 से आपको 1 रुपया कम नहीं मिलेगा कहीं पे भी. You get it only for 100 rupees. We have 70 rupees का है. So we have amazing varieties. And now see, these are Veni. ये वेनी आजकल बहुत चल रहा है, स्पेशली सीजन लाइक मैरिज सीजन में, फंक्शन के लिए, इवन रेगुलर के लिए भी लोग बहुत लेते हैं. बिलीव यू मी, दिस इज ऑल 50%, 60% मार्केट से कम प्राइस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू सी दिस इज 650 इज अ मार्केट प्राइस, यू गेट इट फॉर 350. दिस 450 इज अ मार्केट प्राइस, यू गेट इट फॉर ओनली फॉर 250. तो वेनी आपको 100-150 से स्टार्ट हो जाता है, 90 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट हो जाता है, 150, 200, 2-3. So up to 350 you get it, and that too less than market. और कम से कम 50 odd varieties है इसमें. Now these are again Tic Tac clips.
Okay.
Tic Tac. Prices are written here.
Okay.
If it's written sale, so it's a net price. You get normal Tic Tac here. ये sheet मिलेगा आपको मैम. These kind of sheets you will get only for 40 rupees.
Okay.
Sheet, not pair and all.
Pair, हाँ,
ये
full
देखिए
sheet है.
ये बड़ी वाली sheet 50 रुपए में पूरी sheet मिलेगी आपको.
Okay.
So you can use it. If you go any retail store, they will give you 20 rupees to 30 rupees pair. तो आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आपको कितना बेनिफिट है when you get a sheet. These are chains. बच्चों के chains है. Beautiful variety, excellent variety of chains है इसमें. And these are again rubber bands. These kind very running, fast moving article. बच्चों के लिए ये भी clips है बहुत. Now these clips, if you go any shop, वो single पैक में लगा के रखते हैं 100-150 rupees. We are giving you only for 50 rupees, 60 rupees. Most of them. And this one variety I would like to show you. Yeah, this one. See this. This is a hairband. Beautiful hairband.
Oh, so cute.
Beautiful hairband. Alright, if you go online, ये आपको 450-550 कम से कम minimum. You know what the price? It's only 250. It's only 250, and we're selling like hot cake, ma'am. जो customer आता है 250, anybody can afford such a beautiful hairband, even if you want to give to your daughter or anybody. So we have amazing variety. Just I would like to end this conversation and say that please visit the shop. एक बार आप आइए, ऐसे ही घूमने आइए. Don't come up with the mindset कि भाई अरे ले. आप खाली घूमने आइए, आप देखिए. I'm 100% sure that you will love our variety and you will buy the products and in fact recommend other people to visit this shop. So please don't miss this shop.
Thank you.
Thank you.